Hello everybody, how are you? My name is Victor Villalpando. I will talk about of the external analysis of my project that is called Valandra. First of all, let me explain you what is Valandra. In Valandra, we want to create a Mexican footwear brand that develops timeless footwear proposals using only Mexican materials in order to take care of the carbon footprint that we generate in the manufacturing process. Let me introduce you one of our models, the Double Monk. As you can see, it's a classic shoe, but with a fresh design, especially for the sole. We are creating new models with classic and fashion types of shoes, because we want to have our shoes in your closets for a long time and to be okay for any occasion. Now let me explain you the economic environment in where we are. As you know, we live in León, Guanajuato, and our town produces the 90% of the Mexican footwear in all the country. Guanajuato, our state, has the 9th position in the locations of worldwide in footwear production. Then, more than 220,000 families lives because of footwear in our town. The per capita beer consumption nationwide is 2.6 pairs per year. So any Mexican every year buys 2 or more pairs of national footwear. That's the advantages, and the disadvantages that we have is that, as you know, we have a global crisis because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Also, the sales of footwear during the pandemic decreased by 56% worldwide, and it's estimated that the 50% of local footwear companies will close permanently. So this is like the difficult points that we need to take care in our business. Let's talk about the social environment. Because of the pandemic, online sales have grown. Consumers feel safer not leaving home as much. Then many of the city's factories are closing permanently or partially, but they don't know where they will reopen their factories. The pandemic has led to the loss of more than 12 million jobs in Mexico. And also the sale of safety masks has increased 1000%. Now is the moment to talk about the technology analysis of our company. What are the things that we already have? We already have a high quality manufacturing process. We have the development of new leather textures that we use in our products because we have a tannery. And we have the development of a comfort system for our footwear using a patent elastofoam material that is really comfortable. And then we have the things that we need to implement to our company. We need to launch an intuitive website development with shoe customization option. We need to create a shipping system in where we can generate guides and deliveries in a maximum of 48 hours. And also we need to improve in our technology system of the inventory, because right now we only have Microsoft programs like Excel. Now let me talk about the ecological factor. This point is really important for us because in Valandra we want to leave the lowest possible carbon footprint. From the total contamination worldwide, pollution from import and export logistics accounts for 14%. That is a lot. That's why in Valandra we want to use only materials from local suppliers to promote Mexican companies and avoid contributing to this 14% of global pollution. What is our customer profile? In the first step of our company, we only will manufacture shoes for men. So right now, our profile customer is men between the ages of 18 to 30 who wears leather shoes, and they are in the socioeconomic levels A, B, and C+, who want to dress practically and quickly in their day-to-day life. Now let's talk about the 5 Porter forces. To be able to know the general environment of our business that we want to enter, is very useful to use this tool developed by Mr. Porter, because it can give us an overview of the business opportunity that we want to attack. As you can see, these are the 5 forces: the intensity of competition, the power of clients, the power of suppliers, the substitute products, and the new competitors. First of all, intensity of competition. Our competition is high. Among the direct competition we have, there are 10 very well positioned local brands, and that these 10 local brands, I mean like our really direct competition for a segment really similar to us. And I can put these 2 examples, that is Paruno and Brantano. They are our direct competition because they are local, they have high quality, they have similar prices of us, and they have similar designs and similar proposals of us. So this is the intensity of competition of our business. Now let's talk about the power that the customer have, power of clients. The power of customers is very high. At the end of the day, they are the ones who choose which shoe brand to wear. They can choose between a local brand, or they can use like a famous brand like Adidas. So they have a lot of power in this part, and that's why our value proposal we need to have a lot of value to win this battle against the famous brands and the local positioned brands like Brantano. Now let's talk about the power of suppliers. I think we have an advantage here because we are our own supplier of leather, and also the people that will manufacture the shoes for us are all friends, and they have a lot of confidence of us. So our suppliers do not have a lot of power over us. So these 2 are really good advantages for our company, and good positive points for the competition, because we have lower prices in materials. Then the substitute products. Our customer can change us for a better positioned brand or a more economical product because the range of footwear is wide. There are a lot of offer, a lot of brands, a lot of prices, a lot of colors. So this is in this point we need to generate a loyalty with the brand, and our customers need to be identified with our brand, and they want to use our logo and our shoes everywhere they go. Then the new competitors. We have to accept that there's a tendency to create new local brands with the purpose for selling better shoes with more quality and value every time. There's an example, it's a new brand that is called Sabater that is doing really high quality shoes with a with an original design, an original proposal. In my opinion, they are too expensive, but there is a tendency in Leon that a lot of people want to make shoes of high quality because we can do it. And there's a tendency, uh, they might be more competitors in a short period of time. So we need to do our things faster and to position our brand in the lowest time possible. And that's it. Thank you everybody to listen me, to pay attention in our external analysis of our business. Have a nice day.